I'm excited to be giving you a quick overview of DreamHost based on my own experience with them. Just to be clear, I may be compensated by the vendors mentioned in the videos. Below this video, you'll find links, and if you click on any of them, you'll not only get a discount, but you'll also be helping me do more videos like this in the future. Check out the links in the description below and get your discount now. Now I'm going to go over a few key things you need to be looking for when deciding on a web host. But if you already know all these things and want to get straight to the review, skip to around the 3-minute 45-second mark. Web hosts are no longer just for businesses and professional webmasters. They are increasingly becoming pretty much a basic need for everyone who wants to have an extra edge in their endeavors. Here are some key pointers you should always keep in mind when choosing a web host. Firstly, let's talk about performance. This is critical as it greatly contributes to the success of your online project. Therefore, it's important that you keep an eye on speed and uptime guarantee of the web host. For speed, it's vital to note the type of storage being used. Remember that solid-state drives are always faster compared to the traditional hard disk drives. Moreover, SSDs with RAID disk arrays and configurations are even better. Uptime guarantee, on the other hand, is a promise that your website will always be available online for both existing and new visitors. This is usually denoted in percentages, and the closer it is to 100%, the better. Some vendors go the extra mile to back this guarantee with their service level agreement, while others include it in their refund policy for any downtime experienced. Next up, you need to worry about security. Protection of your most critical information online should always be top priority by the web host. This includes protection from both physical and software malicious attacks from viruses and hackers. Here I'm going to emphasize on backups and SSL certificates. On backups, you'll need to find out if the vendor does any backups at all. If they do, when and how frequently it's done. Usually daily, weekly, nightly, monthly, and so forth. And the type of backups that are done, whether they're automatic or manual. As of 2018, Google announced that websites without SSL certificates will be considered unsafe. What this means is that if your website isn't SSL certified, then your visitors and your customers will be alerted that they might be at risk if they continue using your site. Important things to note here include if the vendor offers any SSL certificates and whether these are being sold separately or are included in the web hosting packages. You also need to take into account beginner and user friendliness. Given the increased need for online presence these days, and considering that only a small fraction of the world's population are really fluent with programming languages and coding, it's therefore important for you to look out for web hosts that will provide you with easy-to-use tools for your hosting. These include features like user-friendly control panels, drag-and-drop website builders, one-click app installers, among others. And lastly, you're going to want to worry about pricing and support. Here you'll need to be extra keen on the price point. This shows how the vendor compares to the market's average, both locally and internationally, and whether you'll be getting value for every dime you spend. It's also worth it to note if the vendor offers a free trial and or a money-back guarantee for you to try out their services before making any long-term commitments. And as for support, you'll need to know that you and your particular venture are in good hands. Here, response time is key, especially if you're an international customer. But it's also important to note the different customer support channels available, the type of responses they have, whether they're canned or personalized, and the knowledge bases of the agents and staff, and if they're available around the clock. This video is going to show you everything you need to know about DreamHost to help you evaluate whether they satisfy all of your web hosting needs. If you've already done your own research and you feel comfortable with DreamHost, don't forget to dive right into the description below, click that link, and get a discount. DreamHost has been in the web hosting business since 1997. They currently host over 1.5 million websites with over 400,000 happy customers worldwide. DreamHost has its servers located in Los Angeles in the US, and their websites can easily be accessed in English by default. Bluehost offers a number of web hosting services including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting, and others. In this video, we're going to focus on their shared hosting option. DreamHost has two shared hosting plans, which include the Shared Starter Plan and the Shared Unlimited Plan. The Shared Starter Plan comes with unlimited fast SSD storage, unlimited traffic, and purchasable email accounts at low prices, among other outstanding features. These can, however, be upgraded to unlimited and unmetered resource quotas with the Shared Unlimited Plan. My favorite and most preferred plan is the shared unlimited plan. This will get you limitless options, enough to fully support your online project as it continually grows traffic. Remember, if you want to get a discount on either of these plans, make sure you get in that description of the video and click that link. So, what's DreamHost's performance like? They use solid-state drives, which means that your website, database queries, and caching will be 200% faster than the traditional HDDs. Additionally, DreamHost's 100% uptime guarantee beats almost all web hosting vendors in the hosting industry. Today, if you face even the slightest downtime at DreamHost, you'll be rewarded with a whole day of free services for every hour with less than 100% uptime. DreamHost offers customers with free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates across all shared hosting plans and a generous 50 GB automatic backup. No doubt, these particular features assure that your web-based project is in good hands. So how easy is DreamHost to use? Well, setting up your website and managing your hosting environment can be a really daunting process, especially to beginning webmasters and non-techies. Its powerful cPanel interface is also beginner-friendly and convenient in managing your hosting account and websites. They also provide you with an easy-to-use, click-to-edit remixer website builder to quickly create beautiful and fully customized websites with absolutely zero coding knowledge. If you're still unsure, it allows you to create a trial website first before going for it. This is further complemented with their powerful one-click app installer that will help you deploy popular web apps such as WordPress, Magento, and Joomla with just a single click of a button. What about pricing? DreamHost shared hosting plans are generally expensive compared to the market's average. However, they've tried to cushion this with various discounts that increase with different billing cycles. Their current available billing options are monthly, yearly, and triennial, payable through either credit or debit cards or PayPal checkout. DreamHost also no longer offers the 14-day free trial for you to explore their services. However, they have a zero-risk 97-day money-back guarantee. This is great, but just bear in mind that it's only applicable to credit and debit card payment for shared web hosting. And remember, on any of your favorite plans, if you want to get even more discounts, get in the description of this video below and click that link. And as far as support goes, DreamHost doesn't have a 24/7 customer support channel, but the existing support channels include a robot-based live chat system which can also link you to human support, but only during office hours. For all DIY lovers, you'll enjoy their self-support systems, such as their knowledge base and forum sections, which are packed with loads of helpful information and discussions. Overall, I recommend DreamHost for its unlimited disk space and bandwidth, the remixer website builder, and its 100% uptime guarantee. If you want to secure a discount on DreamHost and try it yourself, click that link below. Thanks again for watching my video review of DreamHost. Have you used them in the past? If so, what was your experience? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech Roost. Until next time.